let's just solve this question. In a group of 100 people, 60 can speak French, 75 can speak German. If there are 40 who can speak both French and German, find the number of people who can speak neither French nor German. So there are 100 people, so total 100 people are there. 100 people are there, in which 60 speak French and 75 speak German, and 40 are those who speak both French and German. So let's just draw the Venn diagrams. This one is for who speaks French. So who speak French are 60, and there is other reason, that is people speaking German language, and people speaking German language are 65. Now there are 40 who can speak both, so there is an overlap of French and German people who can speak both languages, and these are 40 people. So I can say total 100 people are there. This is the universal set where there are 100 people, and out of these 100, 60 speak French, and among those 60, 40 speak both languages, French and German. So there are 20 such people which speak only French, and there are 75 people who speak German language. But out of these 75, 40 are such who speaks both French and German. So 35 people are left who speak only German language. So total number of people who speak at least one language. At least one language means only French or only German or both languages are at least one people who speaks at least one language. One language would be how much? 20 plus 40 plus 35, that is 75 plus 20, 95. So 95 people are there who speak at least one language, but there are total 100 people. So 5 people would be there outside these two reasons. Outside these two reasons, that is 5 people which do not speak any language at all. So it is asked that find the number of people who can speak neither French nor German. So there are only 5 people which are outside these reasons and which speak no language, because people speaking at least one language are 95. So these 5 people are left which speak neither of French or German. So correct answer to this question is option B.